Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you can you use Apple Music in your Instafest app. So let's get started. So previously it was not happening, but for now, officially the Instafest have introduced or added the Apple Music feature and account option in their app. So it's a big and good news for the music lover who listens their music on Apple Music. If you see here, uh, they've officially announced, but it is marked as a beta option. You can't have in the original option because it's for some reason. Okay, and its answer is yes. And you can also access by logging into your account via Apple Music. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.